Thank you so much for giving me this time. Respected guests of today's function and my brothers and sisters from PAMEI Citizens Forum. I cannot say how happy I am today because I heard about this PAMEI Citizens Forum Language Commission just about a week back, honestly. So I thank all of you for the sacrifices that you have made, as our other speakers have mentioned. I would like to stand here and pledge my support in each and every way that I can extend to the vision of bringing our people together once again. One people, one vision, one voice. I want to put in place of the voice one language and one destiny. Without this, we cannot have a common destiny. Without a common language, I don't think we can ever, we can say, we can shout, but without this core binding factor, it is very difficult to have a common future, a common destiny. Therefore, as I said, I am here just to thank you and to say that I'm very proud of you, my brothers and sisters. I have not contributed anything because I'm like many of us drifting. No, just like your polybags flying around in this windy day. Because there's nothing that is tying us down. We have, through our education, so we have drifted. Now, it is very heartening for me that rootlessness that I'm feeling, the sense of hopelessness, that was overcoming inside me, within me, is being, removed by you. So I thank once again. Now I have one or two suggestions only. Maybe we can start with very, very small steps, like you are the expert, but I think we can suggest, the Language Commission can suggest to our Lengmai, Jmai, Rongmai charges that first you identify common word and let them revise the Bible. Integrate this are the, suppose come, so one word. So let the Lengmai, Jmai, Puimai, Rongmai, change whatever if they have different word for come by the common. So small thing. Maybe again we can have that committee which is developing our dialect. We should come together first. Maybe you can go on the churches and discuss about this, how to come about it. I think it's very important that if we can first penetrate the religious organization with this vision of one common language, I think we would be taking our effort to the next level. Because as I see, I think one of the factors dividing us was also the publication of various versions of the holy books, the Bible or whatever. So maybe we can do that. And the second thing that I would like to suggest is that we should have a timeline of, say, coming together, bringing out this common language, and with that we can throw some incentives, we can announce some prizes. If any church in any Zillenrong area, if any committee bring about this common dialect or common language Bible, or whatever book form, whatever, then the Language Commission can start recognizing it, encourage it, support it. And for that we can have a corpus fund of, I'm sure we have more than enough generous people who can fund this kind of effort. The only thing is that we have to be very, very sincere about effort. I don't think there will be dearth of funding if the committee is really sincere, and if we can fund the committee. I think in the next 1 decade we can maybe come with a common language, not maybe for everybody, but at least for scholars. We can integrate into our language commission, maybe scholars in linguistics, history, sociology, anthropology, and other fields. This is my suggestion. And once again, thank you so much for inviting me. And I wish the Longdimai Citizens Forum and the Language Commission and all our brothers and sisters all the best. Thank you.